Now, US President Donald Trump has said that the United States will send additional weapons to Ukraine to help the war-torn country defend itself against Russian attacks. This after the White House announced a halt to some arms shipments for Kyiv the week prior. Speaking to reporters, Trump said Ukraine was getting hit very hard by Russia and they need to be able to defend themselves, adding that it would be sending primary defensive weapons to the country. Trump on Friday told reporters that Kyiv would need Patriot missiles to defend itself, but did not mention them again on Monday. After Trump's announcement, Pentagon released a statement saying that at the president's direction, the Department of Defense will send additional defensive weapons to Ukraine. The move, the statement said, was to ensure that Ukrainians can defend themselves while the US works to secure a lasting peace. It highlighted that its framework for the president to evaluate military shipments across the globe remains in effect and is integral to American first defense priorities. According to a Wall Street Journal report, Trump told Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky that he was not responsible for a halt in weapons shipments to Kyiv. The report said during the call, Trump accepted that he had directed a review of Pentagon munitions stockpiles after the US struck Iran's nuclear sites last month, but refuted the claim that he'd ordered the department to freeze the arms deliveries. The call that we're talking about came shortly after Trump publicly acknowledged that he was very disappointed and had not made any progress on a peace deal in a separate call with Russian President Vladimir Putin. According to the Kremlin, Trump urged Putin to end the war during the call, but Putin refused. This at a time Russia is advancing in Ukraine. On Monday, Russia said that it has captured its first village in Ukraine's central Dnipropetrovsk region after grinding towards the border for months, dealing a psychological blow to Kyiv as its worries mount further. Moscow launched a fresh large-scale drone and missile barrage before the announcement, including on Ukraine's army recruitment centers as part of an escalating series of attacks that come as ceasefire talks led by the US stall. Kyiv also carried out a drone attack on a Russian ammunition factory in Moscow.